Good morning to the student of 10th class. I again present before all of you to take a new topic of lesson first, development in economics. The topic is public facilities. I will discuss about the public facility. You have to know about what is public facilities. Public facilities means the facility which is given by the government to the people of countries. So, you take an example that means of transport, railway, government schools, the things, post office, the things which comes under the control of government, that is called public facilities. That is given by the government to the people of our countries. According to your book, you see that as you study about the money is not only one indicator for the development. Money in your pocket cannot buy all the goods and services that you may need to live well. Suppose that itself, you cannot take examples. If you have more money but you cannot purchase you a population free environment, or money cannot be able to protect you from infectious disease, as suppose that today you are seeing that all the world and our country has been suffering from corona disease. You have much money but you cannot protect yourself disease unless the whole world of your communities will have to take preventive step to be secured. So money is, you see, and in the examples, money cannot protect the free environment. Another one is that you see in your book that the students, they are studying in the government school. The government also provide the education to the students. Another one thinks, if you send the students in private school, the private school takes fees that the private school does not come under the public facilities, as well as many of the other children that you want to study. Many people believe that the government should open the schools and provide the children have chance to studies. So the public facilities, another examples that you see in your book, public distribution systems as well as ration shop. The public also distributed the grains equally through the public distribution systems as well as ration shop. The government, the people that they introduce before the ration shop and take equally by the fixed price, as well as health and nutrition status for the people such as the state, and certainly like to be better. Another new topic is that I will discuss about the sustainability of development. At first you have to know about the sustainability of development. If you are going to progress without damaging of environment and safe for future generation, that is called sustainability of development. In other words, the development which take place without damaging of environment and safe for future generation is called sustainability of development. 10 example you will have to write. To cut down 5 trees, but you plant 10 trees, and then you can save for future generations. Today you are seeing that sustainability of development has been adopted by every person, every country of the world, and the government also provides more importance of the sustainability of development, because as you see that our growth rate of population is increasing, but development is not increased in the comparing of population, so you cannot develop. So sustainability of development is need for the development of the countries as well as state for the people. Thank you very much.